Hey YouTube, it's me again. So last weekend we got an ice storm, and look what it's doing now. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna record myself, of course, right now, because why not? Whew, oh my gosh, this is. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at this! I'm so happy! Whee! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! Oh, this is so amazing! Oh my gosh! Oh, a lot of tree limbs are down, but that doesn't matter. I'm happy. So yeah, enjoy it while you can. It is snowing at the beach, which is crazy to me. So yeah, it hasn't done something like this since 2022. Look at how deep the snow is. It's crazy. Oh, hold on. This is, oh, yo. Y'all don't know how happy I am. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. It's gonna make me cry. Wow. So, hey YouTube. It's me. Again, of course. This is the coolest thing to ever happen in so long. Look at how deep the snow is, y'all. Oh my gosh. So, I'm 5 feet tall, and this is how deep the snow is currently. Oh my god, you can see where I was running too. Whee! This is so amazing. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna cry.